Hey guys, Sarah, and I was coming on to review these gardening gloves that I have here. I bought these and I was really looking for something to cover my forearms, and as you can see, it goes all the way up my arm. I purchased the size large. My fingers are pretty long. I also like these gloves because of the fact that they're not bulky, but they're thick enough where I was pulling weeds and the thorns did not poke me or come through. I have not tried this on cactus and I have not tried it on actual rose bushes, but the weeds that I was pulling up, they definitely had thorns and they did not get me. So I definitely like that. They do have some padding up there for touchscreen finger pads. I know that mine came off a little bit, but overall it still works, and you can see I've definitely got use out of these. So I would definitely say give these a try because they're comfortable and they're cute. Look at the cute little cactuses on there. But yeah, they work great if you want to tighten your forearm piece up there. You can tighten it so you can make sure no creepy crawlies will crawl in. But these have worked really good and I would definitely recommend trying them out. All right, thanks. Happy shopping.